Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to easily check errors in your C drive on Windows 11. So just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start. Then open File Explorer. Now right click on Local Disk C. Then click on Properties. Now here guys you have to click on Tools. Then click on Check. Now here click on Scan Drive. Now wait till this scanning process will complete. Now guys, once you see your drive was successfully scanned, click on close, then click on OK. Now restart your PC. So like this guys, you can check and resolve errors on your Windows 11 C drive. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.